are you running?
Yes, so I'm fine. I just came here. I'm still waiting for him. I can't wait to see him. He was looking so handsome in the picture. I mean,
Wow! Baby sunshine.
who are you?
So I'm actually the one. You know, my name is Teaser, aka Mr. Professional. Your Facebook fine boy, aka the Professional. Oh, life's sweet too. It's me. Oh yeah.
You are teaser.
Of course.
Dressed like that.
Don't mind the way I'm dressed, you know.
Let me confession.
What?
Confirm. Man, you look man, immediately I just walked in, the Holy Spirit ministered to me that you are my future wife.
What did you say?
Baby, calm down. You don't know who is talking to you. Calm down. It's me, aka Fine Boy, Teaser, the Mr. Professional. As a matter of fact, I did not come to waste time.
Please, what did you say?
Don't want to waste time. Want to go straight to the point, and I mean it. Baby, you don't know me. Look at me, baby. I mean straight to the point. See the way you see me now?
Straight to the point of what?
Just watch
We barely
me.
have conversation. You are going straight to the point.
Baby,
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
look at me, baby. Eyeball to eyeball. One on one.
Continue.
See this man you're seeing there? I'm a professional.
How fast do we hear of this?
I know it's funny.
Wait,
Jesus.
you dey mad? Wait, who you want this guest for this place? I don't understand. I know you. Look at this dirty nonsense looking human being. I don't know who you be. But if you think that I'm here, I'm not gonna come for this place. Wait.
Not like this, you know, they behave. What is it now?
That's how I'm telling you. I said, you want
No, you want to give me transport at 200 rand? You know, it's far. I check down here. Now like this, you know, they do for you. It's big. Wow. I see me see wahala. I know man no fit propose again. Waiting. I go take go by house now. She don't give me transport. Hook up when we come. Hook up. No problem.
It is what it is.
Baby,